Hi, my name is Kyle Nottingham. I'm one of the partners here at Pastry. We're a upscale brunch spot. Do a lot of covers, every weekend. Lots of fun, good atmosphere, really fun food, and we're the spot to be right now. HF Coors really helps us deliver good product. We sell a lot of eggs, potatoes here, so that's going to go on, a nice hot plate, so we can keep those eggs nice and warm. This is kind of like a coupe, so we have different types of HF Coors plates. We have, B&Bs, bowls, plates, coupes, rounds. All of our other sister restaurants are using HF Coors as well, so that's pretty exciting. And then we're actually developing some brand new plateware for Commoner & Co., which I'm, a part of the team as well. We can throw these things in the salamander, we can put them over the flame, like really literally anything we can throw at these plates, like they're gonna be able to handle it. We don't really even get chipped plates or anything like that. Like these plates are, once we have them, like they're gonna be in our inventory, sticking around with us. Can you work around that? Is that cool? Yeah. These plates are pretty indestructible. They really stand the test of time and really can go through, the wear and tear of like a really fast-paced brunch place.